Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife.
Hi everyone. So yes, here we are again. This is part 2 of a 3-part series of sailing our small Catalina 320 sailboat, Tees for Two, from Victoria to Sitka, Alaska and back. And we hope you enjoyed this episode. It covers the area from Prince Rupert, BC, which is on the Alaskan border, all the way up to Sitka, Alaska. And we hope you enjoy it. You get to see dolphins, you'll get to see some great scenery, some natural hot springs, which were definitely a highlight of the trip. And I'll keep this intro short because last week was way too long. Enjoy the video and we'll put out part 3 next week. Bye for now. The first half of the video takes us from Prince Rupert, BC, up to Petersburg, Alaska.
Early morning departure from Prince Rupert. It's 4:30. Gonna make a bread man out of heli yet.
I shouldn't even be driving. Not even awake yet.
So we're getting out of here early because of a big ebb this morning. It's 24-foot tides right now, and so we're gonna have an ebb at our back all the way out to the north end of Dundas Island. Then we'll make our mind up if we're gonna cross over to the American side today or not. But the weather looks great. It's very clear out. They had fog yesterday.
In Alaska, woohoo! We're just coming into a little anchorage called Foggy Bay. Another one of these small entrances. We had a fairly decent crossing over Dixon Entrance today. It's about 2 o'clock now and the sun's out, and this is the only place we're allowed to anchor in Alaska unless we go to Ketchikan to clear customs. So apparently there is cell service in here, and we have to phone in and clear customs once we get set. Otherwise Ketchikan's another 40-45 miles from here, which we just wouldn't make in one day. Anyway, this is really gorgeous. It's very rugged. Never get tired of these still waters. And beautiful reflections. Come back around the other side. Yes, welcome to Alaska. The real adventure now begins.
we stopped in Anchorage last night, 2/3 of the way between Texarkana and Wrangell, called Tom's Place. Suitable Power Squadron. Thought about Tom last night when we came in here. He would have approved. Anyway, rained so hard last night we found new leaks in the boat. Water came in from different places. We thought we had them all. Anyway, got up this morning, donned our uniforms. As you can see, Helly's got hers on. I've got mine on. The toques, the yellow jackets. Nice thing is it's only a 25 to 30 mile run now up to Wrangell, and we'll be on a dock. And we missed date night on Friday night because we were out on anchor, so we're gonna take advantage of Wrangell and go to the bar. we're sitting here playing crib, and the skies opened up. Welcome to Alaska. It was a beautiful day today, actually. A little windy at times, and we ended up ducking into an anchorage. And you can see the skies are actually quite bright, but it's coming down in buckets here. Mercury outboard. Doesn't work for me, I'm too fat. She's almost got it up.
For the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the